How to add custom code in Wix Studio. So to do that, you can head over right here to your left sidebar, and in here you can click onto this Add Elements option. Now from in there, just look for the option called HTML, or you can also add an iframe. This actually depends on which type of code you want to add. Like for example, if you just want to add an iframe, just click onto this iframe option and it will be added to the section present right here into your Wix. So you can just input right here this code, just click on this enter code right here, then enter in here the code that you want. It can be on a website address or a code itself, and it can be an embed. You can add an alt text right here. Now, for example, you want to add another code, you can click on this add elements option in here again. Search in here for HTML or search in here for code, and you can see this embed code option. So click on this embed code, and then click on this plus icon in order to add this to your site. And then this will be added in here as well. You can just position it wherever you want it added, and then enter in here the code by clicking onto the particular element and click on this enter code option. So that's how you add custom code in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.